In this episode, we are going to discuss how to see money triangle and where is money triangle actually located in your hand. So let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss out any updates from this channel. There is some misconception about this sign in palmistry. Most of the time you will find that if a person brain line, lifeline and line of a health makes a triangle, it called a money triangle. You can see it on your screen now how this triangle looks, but in reality you will find this triangle in almost 90% population. So as per this sign, 90% of people should be rich, but you will find that they are also suffering from the poor financial conditions. Why these people are suffering? Because this sign does not represent money. It represents something else. Indeed, it's a triangle, but this sign has no relation to the money. Now you are thinking about what is this sign actually shows. Actually this sign deal with your mind and your memory. If you have this triangle, it shows that person has a strong and sharp memory. And these people never forget the good and bad events of their life. I made a video on this sign long time ago in Hindi and Urdu. If you are interested in Hindi and Urdu video, you can find that link in the video description. Now let's discuss where is actually money triangle located in hands. There are three types of money triangle in hands, and this triangle show different types of money flow in life. I'm going to start with low level to high level, so that's how you will understand the sign much easier. If a person fate line offshoot a branch that reached to brain line in the area of plane of Mars, if the offshoot cross the brain line, then it represents something else. You can see on your screen now how this triangle looks. The easy way to judge this sign is offshoot always stop at the brain line. It shows that at the age of 30 to 35 years, a person will be successful in his career and will earn lot of money. But this triangle shows person will earn money in a limited time frame. That's why this is a low level triangle. The second triangle is if a person lifeline, brain line and line of Mercury makes a triangle. You can see it on your screen now how this triangle looks, but don't confuse the triangle with the health line, because the health line and line of Mercury looks very similar. The only difference is this starting point. We will discuss the difference between line of Mercury and health line in the future, but right now let's stick to the topic. This triangle shows that the person will be successful in his life goals and will earn lot of money. And how much you will make? You need to see the fate line. If person fate line is strong, then the flow of money is good. If the fate line is normal, then the flow of money is normal. And you will never find this triangle on lower class people hands. Most of the time this triangle find in upper middle class to first class people hands. Now let's discuss the final triangle. If a person's sun line offshoot a branch that reach to the brain line in the area of plane of Mars, at the same time a person have silk type lines in his hands and his fate line and sun line both are strong in his hands. You can see it on your screen now how this triangle looks. It shows that person will be very financially strong his throughout life and will earn lot of money, and this is the actual money triangle. This sign usually not found on many people's hands, but remember one thing, if you don't have good fate line and sun line with this triangle, it doesn't mean that you will not earn money. It means that the flow of money will be normal or less. But in the nutshell, if you had this triangle, you should consider yourself a lucky person. But this sign also have some variation, and I don't want to discuss all variation now. I want to discuss one atom at the time. That's how you will understand better, because my goal is if you learn something from me, I will consider this a success of this channel. So that's all for today. I know it's a short video. We will discuss more about this triangle in the future. We will discuss money combination and money signs in our next episode. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Ali and this is Hal-e-Qismat. I will catch you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.